Jamaica's fisheries production amounted to more than $30 billion for the calendar year 2023. This evening, we look at a major threat to that, coastal erosion and the destruction of seagrass beds. Ramada Lyons has this primetime news in focus report, Rocking the Boat.
Midday, November 20, 2024, Old Harbour Bay Fishing Village in St. Catherine. 32-year-old Joseph Knight is preparing to go to sea. He's been doing this for 17 years. In fact, it's the only job he's known since age 15.
Catch fish, come back, sell the vendor. So I thought I could get the money to send my son to school.
Through both primary and secondary education, fishing pays the bills and keeps a roof over his head. But now, crashing waves are crushing income.
We will up a hurricane and rain them and them there's something they understand that then. Me will let's see hurricane come and mash up all the coral reef and them they understand that they and wash up all the grass and on the land.
2024 alone has seen a lot of that, and the local fishing communities have been caught in a net of worry. Repeated lashings from weather systems are eroding coastlines. Hurricane Beryl in July, Tropical Storm Raphael in November, and within a week a tropical wave, all bringing heavy rainfall and winds. On land, fallen trees and poles tell the story of damage, but at sea...
It affects fishing, you understand? One time we could have go up on the chalet to catch little fish, we have to go way out deeper now.
That's because of coastal erosion. In fact, he says where he's standing now was just sand in recent years. Young men could play football there. Now, if youngsters gather, it would be for swimming lessons. The sea creeps closer and closer. Another fisherman, Clarence Henry, specializes in diving. A noticeable issue for him, the depletion of seagrass beds.
Like how you take a broom and sweep the sea bottom. I saw you sea bottom stay now, brother. Right now you see grass up on the sea where you come like you can walk on it, you know, daddy. You never see that. Acres of grass. The on the sea, like when you see it, it come like one piece of land you look on out. So.
Seagrass beds are crucial for biodiversity, coastal protection, and are nursery grounds for fish. Their breakdown has a ripple effect on marine ecosystems and the livelihoods of communities that depend on them. But they're going from this to this. Mr. Henry says this means less fish.
That will go break down the fish population. For me, I will show you how to break down the fish population now. Fish no like shadow. You understand? So you see that screamer gonna say we are come with that darkness there. Anytime they see that, then just take what themselves.
The National Environment and Planning Agency NEPA says seagrasses are marine flowering plants found growing in shallow waters around Jamaica. There are 3 types in Jamaica: turtle grass, shoal grass, and manatee grass. They ensure the continuation of traditional activities such as fishing and recreation. But even fishers relatively new to the profession are immediately seeing the impact. Rommel Ludford has 4 years under his belt.
Man, all the seagrass and them things they come up. Like you can see, it's when time hurricane come up here, so full of bay grass go right back down the place. Cause the wave shoot up the grass and thing come up right up on land and thing right go back.
On the opposite end of newness, experience, Philip Morgan has been fishing before Mr. Ludford was even born. But for both, a big challenge is the financial implications, especially after a hurricane.
Sometimes hurricane bring fish in, but you don't get it at the same time. So after hurricane, you have to wait till I want two months or so.
They know the fish now too come in the area. But we still juggle same way because we have to try same way. You know.
In part 2, a look at another fishing community and officials. Ramada Lyons, TVJ News.
Now, coming up later in this newscast, a special counsel tells judge to dismiss the federal election interference case against Donald Trump. We'll be right back.